Okay, this afternoon I have with me Marlon Kruby, the Aita Manubo scholar that we are helping in college. And today, we will be extending to Marlon some personal items that Mr. Rio Bautista of Mandaluyong sent, and we got it today via LBC. So Marlon, Sir Rio sent you a pair of shoes. That's size 9, and he sent also 5 pairs of socks. See? And he sent also how many of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 white polo shirt. All from Mr. Rio Bautista of Mandaluyong. So what can you say, Marlon? Ano ba maistorya kay si Rio?
Thank you very much sa mga gamit na ito. Malaking tulong na ito sa aking pag-aaral.
Okay. So all you have to do, Marlon, is to be good in school, okay? Because I believe that there will be many more good people who will help you in your studies so that you can finish and make history as the first member of your community to finish a degree in college. So that's it. Thank you and God bless.